Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be data entry, but real quickly before we dive into it, those of you who have taken my poll so far regarding the website, I just want to say thank you so much for your feedback. I've gotten some negative reviews. I've also gotten some really positive reviews. Just bear with me with the website thing through the next week or two. I'm not a design person, so know the design is going to change again and again over the next week or two. I am researching and trying to learn how to make this thing as easy to navigate and more helpful to you. My goal is to be able to provide even more for you. So YouTube, if you don't know the description box where I used to put the links, it has a limit of 5,000 characters. So each little letter counts as a character. So when I've done videos in the past, like 15 work from home job leads, I've had to delete some text and change titles to shorten them and things to even make all the links fit. So having an actual website is going to allow me to give you even more. I can do a list of like 30 websites and link to all of them, like that you can make money from home, things like that I wouldn't be able to put directly into YouTube. I'm excited for the new year ahead in 2024 and trying to expand the things that I'm able to offer. Now, I run this YouTube channel and work on this website on the side as a hobby. I do work a full-time job outside of this, so my time to actually work and do things is limited, and I've had people email me in the past asking if I offered like resume services. So I'm hoping going into 2024, building out this website, I will be able to give you free downloadable resume templates that you can just go to the website and download. I'm going to be able to write longer articles and videos and give you tips on like how to interview virtually, how to create resumes, what things to include on your resume, what things to leave off, all of that stuff. So that is my vision for the upcoming year, continuing to grow and change and just trying to help you find the best work from home job that you can. The goal is to help you make money, not spend money. But with that little rant out of the way, today's job lead is from Claims Management Resources. They only have 19 reviews on Glassdoor, so guys, please always do your own research, but they have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a remote data entry specialist. Now, one thing I always mention about jobs, their location, they are based out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. They don't state that they have any state restrictions, so that's what I'm kind of going off of here. I don't work for any of these companies, so you'll just have to get that application in and see if they accept it. They are on the lower paying side though. They're paying anywhere from $12 an hour up to $13.50 an hour. They do have a bonus structure though that'll give you more earning opportunity, but they are a company that contracts with self-insured companies. So if you have a power company, a cable company, government agencies, if they are all self-insured and they have people that are reporting damage claims, then they need a company to go out and bill those claims and collect on those claims. And so that's what this company does. They're like a subrogation company. But they're basically looking for somebody to do data entry of all their claims information. You're going to verify that the data is accurate and complete, analyzing the information to determine the correct party is being billed. So you're going to have to do a little bit of research. You'll record the claim information into their system and software applications. Now, you will have to maybe pick up the phone and make some outbound phone calls from time to time. It says you'll respond to client requests for information through email and telephone. You're going to respond to these requests for internal workflow, and you'll have to communicate with your co-workers. Best thing about this, though, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of some kind of billing or insurance experience. Above that, you've got to have good communication skills, good time management skills, and the ability to work independently with minimal supervision. Now, that pay structure that we talked about, they have a tiered bonus system that's listed down here at the bottom. So you get a commission on the fees that you generate from the claims processing, the claims being billed correctly, and they have different levels. Now, these additional dollar amounts are paid per pay period, per paycheck. So if you paid every 2 weeks, this is what you can earn additionally every 2 weeks. If you're paid every month, I don't know how that is completely structured. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.